market is starting up and the crypto market is getting heated. Today we're talking about Bitcoin hitting $60,000 and its potential next target. So essentially a price prediction, what the heck is going on and whether or not you should be loading up. Here's the thing, guys, the bull market looks like it is getting started in full effect. We can see overall crypto market up 3.5%. Meme coins are surging like crazy. I was talking about 3 meme coins that recently got listed on Binance that have been seeing 1100% gains, 100% gains, and 50% gains, which have been massive. Check out the earlier video from today. But today we're talking about Bitcoin currently sitting at $60,140, up about 0.3% on the hour, 4% on the day, and 4.4% on the week. What the heck is going on with Bitcoin? And why should you be loading up? Bitcoin also trending in at number 3, guys. It's been holding a trending spot for some time now, but it's crazy to see that even though meme coins are pumping, Bitcoin is holding its position. And here's the thing, guys, whether you enjoy investing in meme coins or not, the more the meme coins pump, the more we are going to see altcoins and Bitcoin pump as well, as money comes in the market through these degens and eventually converts some of these guys to buy some blue chip projects like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on and so forth. In terms of the community sentiment, guys, surprisingly, only 43% is bullish, more bearish, but I think a massive breakout is setting up. The moment for Bitcoin breakouts with the following wedge patterns, where we're teleporting to new all-time highs, and that's the following wedge patterns. And once it breaks through, guys, it is going to go to next level extraordinary price points. With the $1.1 trillion market cap balancing back to 60%, it's causing so much news and rocket in the market. Now I got a quick question to ask you guys. Are you guys holding Bitcoin right now? If so, and you're comfortable sharing, how much are you holding in the comment section below. I was reading a tweet earlier how just holding 0.1 or 0.01 Bitcoin could be enough to make you a Bitcoin millionaire in the next 10 years. So are you holding at least 0.01 Bitcoin, which is roughly $8,000? Let me know in the comment section below. But going back to the news, we're seeing Bitcoin slips the key week for market awaiting Fed rate cut. Radical Fed bombshells predict to send Bitcoin prices skyrocketing. Bitcoin jumps while Dow falls ahead of Fed's interest rate. Bitcoin poises volatility ahead of U.S. interest rate decisions. Now, looks like the interest rates are cutting, and if that happens, it's going to be absolutely bullish for Bitcoin. We can already see the technical analysis are looking pretty bullish as well, while oscillators are in buy, moving averages are in strong buy, giving us a total summary of buy, and things are just getting started with Bitcoin. When we go to Bitcoin, guys, we look at the all-time charts, and again, time and time again, we see this was when its first peak around 2017, 2018, then the last bull run 2021, 2022, crazy run, then 2024 around the halving it peaked, and since then has been dropped. And again, I feel like we're currently in a zone like this, or potentially over here, getting ready to rebound into some next level price points. That's exactly what's happening right now, and it happens time and time again. A $70,000 Bitcoin is very inevitable, if not a 6-figure Bitcoin. Going to the tweets I've gathered, guys, just in, Duce Digital Assets launched a micro Bitcoin ETP today, which is bullish. Breaking news, Bitcoin overtakes Saudi Arabia's economy in terms of, I believe, market cap. Rates cuts incoming, time to lock in. We can see the meme of the guy getting focused, getting in for the game. Breaking news, Federal Reserve expects to cut interest rates this week for the first time since COVID. Bitcoin bullish as F. Are you prepared? If the rate cuts happen, guys, it's going to be absolutely insane for Bitcoin and all the assets combined. Just remember what happened during the pandemic when everything was pumping like crazy. That could be happening again. And then again, this is not big, but still, it's just goes to show how widespread Bitcoin has become. Bitcoin shop in Zurich, Switzerland, pretty bullish. We see the hope you like potassium because BTC is primed to enter banana zone. We see in 2013, 2017, 2021, and 2025 zone. We're here. 2025 could be absolutely crazy for Bitcoin. Bitcoin versus gold, history is repeating itself. We see Bitcoin 2021, gold, same thing. It's just history repeating itself. Patiently waiting for Bitcoin to hit 100K. All right, fine. MicroStrategy is raising another $700 million to buy more Bitcoin. Here we go again. Just in, Donald Trump says crypto is a very powerful market. Awesome. The more Trump support we get, the better. Again, this whole election, whether he wins or not, it's going to be crazy for Bitcoin and crypto alike. Just in, Bitcoin has reclaimed $61,000, and currently we've lost that position. We're coming back to 60,000, but hopefully we regain that position very soon. It's kind of a shake-up too, guys. A lot of people that are selling at the top, which is fine. So when it pumps again, we won't have a dump like that again. We saw this already. 2025 was always the year for crypto. We can see 2011 to 13. 14 to 17, 18 to 21, 22 to 25. The full bull run will take place in 2025, which again is it's great. It's great. It gets us more time to load up, especially if you're already studying, getting into Bitcoin now and crypto now. It can be awesome. Bitcoin is pumping hard, and we can see weekly RSI breakouts. Last time this happened, volume went up 170%. 100K Bitcoin is closer than you think. So very, very bullish. The whole point is it's bullish across the board. China wants to unban Bitcoin now. This is getting crazier and crazier. And again, like I said earlier today, the bull run is just around the corner. But like always, guys, none of this is financial advice. Always your own research and due diligence, as I'm not a financial advisor. But I'm feeling very bullish on Bitcoin, and I hope you guys are too. That wraps the video. Until next time, it is your friend Umar. Peace.